Active sent us their coffee machine descaler so we can show you the features, let you know our thoughts. We have an espresso machine, so it requires descaling about twice a month. And we have hard water here in Atlanta, so you do need to stay on top of it because your espresso machine, the water tank, will get that like white crustiness around the top. And you don't want that to get inside your unit. So you do want to make sure you're descaling. This also says it deodorizes, but the liquid itself doesn't have any type of smell. So I think that it just will do a great job at cleaning and protecting your unit. This bottle will last you about 8 descalings, and it does include directions on how to do it if your machine does not have directions, but you do want to follow your machine's directions to make sure you're doing it right. All right, here is our coffee machine. As you can see, the light is on for descaling. So we are going to start the descaling process with our Active Coffee Machine Descaler. So here we go. And there it is starting the descaling process. This takes a total of about 30 minutes, and typically it does a very good job of descaling, so we will see. All right, so the descaling process is done. There is one more rinse I have to do after that, but I just wanted to show you the water that came out. You can see the coffee grounds and the water is a little cloudy, so you know that it worked. Highly recommend Active and their cleaning products.